digital in itself is raising the standard of advertising that is being served to consumers.
Purpose-driven marketing is quite the trend these days. How do brands gain from it?
So you're absolutely right. I think purpose-driven marketing today has become the new buzz. All brands are talking about it.
Right.
But when it's done credibly, when it's tied to the brand's own purpose,
Right.
it's the brand's own stated communication idea,
Yeah.
then it's authentic. So for example, when Lifebuoy says that it's chasing the agenda of making Indian villages disease-free, it's credible. Because Lifebuoy is about washing hands, and we know that bulk of the diseases are transferred from the germs on our hands to our mouth. But when brands try and chase that agenda only because they're trying to make a point, only because they want to be a part of this
Ongoing
new
conversation.
wave, exactly,
Yeah.
and be a part of the conversation, then it feels unauthentic or inauthentic.
We see a lot of content being generated these days online. What role does it play in influencing the decision-making process of consumers?
So content is becoming extremely important only because consumers today are believing less and less in advertising. Advertising is a paid medium. All consumers recognize that this is an ad that's shot in a studio. You can get anyone to say anything. But content feels authentic, and authentic is the new black. So anything where I feel I'm consuming information, where it feels set in the right context, where I'm getting the right information at the time that I'd like to get it, I'm far more convinced
Right.
and I'm more influenced to make that purchase.
So can a brand integration work there?
Yes, if a brand is integrated in a manner that is right for that content and that context. It is most authentic when the brand is talking about itself without even the mention of the brand name. As a consumer or as a reader, if I'm able to read content which makes sense to me, and via subliminal branding,
Think
if
of a
I'm-
certain brand.
Think of a certain
It's
brand.
it becomes synonymous with
With
the
that
content. Yeah,
exactly.
yeah, right.
That is the most authentic and the most powerful way
Right.
that content marketing can actually be employed.
So, Vani, you've been a veteran marketer. During your tenure, you would have seen a phenomenal growth in digital. What is your outlook of the medium, which has exploded massively in last?
I think the potential of the medium is still to be far leveraged than what it is today. And what digital enables is authentic conversations. Digital is able to very quickly take the facades of brands and bring to the fore what the brand is really offering, what consumers are really saying about their user journey. And the other bit that I think hasn't spoken about enough is just the fact that digital in itself is raising the standard of
Right, yeah,
advertising
right.
that is being served to consumers. Because it's a medium that is so live and it's so constantly alive. Every moment it's alive, and it allows for so many consumers to
And
talk
it also
to each other.
changes the shape of creativity. So there's no fixed format.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So advertisers have to rethink about how they're serving the right message in the right context at the right time when the consumer wants
So,
it.
Vani, you've been with both traditional brands and also startups, new age brands.
Yes.
These days, if you see all these young brands, especially internet driven brands, are giving traditional brands who've been in business for 30, 40, 100 years a run for their money.
Yes.
So, do you think
Yes.
that traditional brands have been able to catch the young consumer? If not, what do they need to do?
Yes, I think that's a very good question. Eventually, what will win will be consumer trust. It is also true that very new brands have come to the internet, have launched on the internet, and have been able to win consumer trust very quickly with very less money spent on the brand building. So in that sense, actually, internet is a great leveler, and internet has led to the boom of a new consumption
Right,
economy,
yeah.
because there are so many more choices available to the consumer. The consumer has the means to discover so much
Right.
more. And the consumer herself is becoming so much more open to experimentation. No longer is there the mindset that only if a brand is salient everywhere and there are billboards everywhere should I trust the brand. Today the consumer herself is willing to trust a brand that she has just discovered on Instagram, you
Facebook,
know,
yeah.
via one post, and is willing to spend
Money.
money on that brand. So I think in that sense, competition today is definitely far, far, far tougher. But in all of this, what will still win, whether it's a new age brand or the traditional brand, will be the brand's ability to consistently deliver authenticity to the consumer, to be able to find a meaningful relationship with the consumer.
Work aside, what do you do to unwind? And I'm sure marketing is a very difficult job.
Well,
You need something to take your mind
mostly
off.
I
Yeah.
spend time with my son
Right.
to unwind. So
Yeah.
anything creative that he's spending time on, I try and be a part of that. I enjoy
So whatever
all
he
that.
indulges in.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And he likes a lot of painting, and he likes dabbling with colors. So I do that with him.